Alright, we're here in Chong Park. Alright, he just seen a rabbit. I don't know if I caught it. It was under the tree. It went this way. He's a very excitable dog. Alright, and then we're gonna go over to another part. Alright, Mr. Chong is on one of his famous coffee breaks because it's very hot out. This is why we're not going too far. I give him a break or two and then we end up going back home, and I got the air conditioner going because he's half dead. He's already went to a canteen of water. So, but he had to go to the bathroom. What are you gonna do? You gotta go, you gotta go. That's the way life is. Alright, we're finally done with rolling around in the grass. Now we're by the mulch place, a hardware place, and they have pretty little flowers. And they're just advertising all their mulch and stuff. But they don't have any customers today. Hopefully someone does some gardening and needs something so they can get some business. And then here's the really nice development back here that you gotta be rich at to live. I got some money, but not that kind of money. Alright, I don't know what he's looking at now. Come on, Chong. Alright, we're gonna try to cross the street now. And then we'll vlog when we get across the street. Alright, we're cutting through the expensive little village apartments. They get kind of weird. We're here on storm watch. This storm looks very, very promising. Especially over this way. My God. The updraft in this is wonderful. I'm very excited about this storm. Chong, he just wants to go. He doesn't get excited about storms like I do. I'm gonna take some pictures of the storm so I can put it on a collage. Okay, the storm over here, you can tell, has the build right here. This is the center hub. And it's looking good. It might actually, we might get some good thunder and lightning out of this baby. Over here, you can tell is just literally going towards here, the core. Over here, not so much. This is where it's really picking up good. This is wonderful right here. It's very, very pretty. And it's nice. Very nice. I'm very excited about Storm Watch today.